what's wrong with you?
So they can hear us.
Who?
Robbers!
We have robbers in our house?
Yes, they're stealing the most valuable thing, my pencils.
Oh, Sammy, then we should come up with a safe storage.
Do you know how to make it?
Yeah, I have some experience in that. Come with me. Hi, guys. Today we'll make an unusual organizer.
It will be a safe with tools for a real artist.
Sammy, maybe you can let go of these pencils. I doubt that the robber is in our house at the moment.
Did you say robber? Where is he? I'm ready to fight.
Sammy, I guess you won't relax until we finish our organizer.
You're right, Sue. I have to distract myself. Let me help you with the craft. Oh, shiver me chatters, all my pencils.
Maybe you could hide your treasure first and then start helping.
Great idea. Be right back. I'll just find a good place.
In the meantime, we'll glue the base part. Guys, be careful with the glue. It's super hot. Now we'll install the first wall here. Press it real good against the base. There you go. And here's the second one. Like this. Guys, give a thumbs up. Let's count how many future artists we have here.
Phew, done. I hid them in an awesome place. No one will find them.
Great news, Sam. I hope it's not my wardrobe.
Oh, how did you know? Oh man, now I have to hide them again.
Good luck, Sammy, and I'll finish with the box. The bottom of our case is ready. Now we'll move to the lid.
Sue, I made these 2 parts for it.
Oh, thanks, Sammy.
2 more to go.
While Sam is busy with other parts, I'll install the ones he brought. Oh, this color combination is so lovely, right?
These 2 walls are ready, Sue.
Already? You made everything so fast.
That's because I'm Mr. Speed.
Great job. Sam, have you come up with a design for the upper lid of the organizer?
Turn the box upside down and have a look.
Oh, well, let's see. Wow, Sam, you're so cute here. This is a perfect self-portrait.
Guys, did you like my design? If yes, then give a thumbs up.
The lid and the box are ready. Now we'll connect them. Sam made these parts from straws and cardboard.
Now we'll show how to make the fastenings. Watch closely.
Just a bit of glue. Careful, it's very hot. And we'll glue it just like this.
This is easy peasy. I'll glue the second thing myself.
Great, Sammy, and I'll prepare our next materials. Up. Now we'll have the necessary number of parts.
Sue, I guess I got stuck. Help me out.
Oh, wait, stand still, Sammy. There you go.
Phew! I thought that I'd have to become a part of the organizer.
You'd make a cute decor, but we need you here. And I'll place this here.
I got so nervous. I'll go check how my pencils are doing there.
Sammy, you're leaving me again? That's not fair. Well, I'll get more interesting craft work then. So we can carry the case around, we'll glue the handle to it.
Sue, sound the alarm! The pencils are missing again! We have to do something urgently!
Huh. I guess we'll have to upgrade the safe system so no one gets inside.
Right, let's get to it right now!
Guys, we'll make a real combination lock for our case.
And only Sue and I will know the code. No one will get a single thing out of it.
Why do you need a notepad?
What you mean? To write down the password, of course.
Huh. Don't you think that robbers can steal your notes and find out the password?
Then I'll have to memorize it by heart. Oh, I don't have much space left on my hard drive.
Then throw something unnecessary out of your memory.
Hello? Who are you?
Did you decide to throw me away from your memory? That's how you slimes deal with best friends.
I see it was a joke.
Yeah, sure.
Look, I prepared the skewer for the next part.
Huh, that's not a very convincing apology. You can do better.
Ugh, And how about this? Sorry, Susie. I won't do it again.
I can also make jokes, Sammy. Of course, I'm not mad at you. So we can start assembling the mechanism. Sam, do you have everything ready?
Yeah, I made something, but it seems kinda wrong.
Oh, I'll check it now. Oh, that's all right, Sam. But we'll need this part a little later.
Phew, I was so worried about it. Sue, what do you think? Are my markers safe?
Sammy, I would collect everything in one place so it's easier to hide it all in the organizer.
That's a good idea. I'll go bring the most important stuff here.
I guess Sam will be busy for a while. And we'll take care of the closing mechanism over here. Look, guys, there are 3 identical holes in this part. We need to make the same ones in our organizer. But be careful with the awl. Ask an adult to help. There you go, looks perfect.
Sue, look what I found! Down by those robbers for sure.
Oh, those robbers are very gluttonous. Means they're not just stealing pencils, but eating them.
Oh, such a disaster. My poor pencils.
Sammy, the answer is somewhere near, but I still don't know how to get to it.
And I don't have any ideas, just lots of worries.
Don't be sad, Sammy. I'll defo buy you tons of new pencils. But for now, you can help me with the organizer. Bring me the parts for the code input mechanism.
You're right. The faster we finish, the sooner I'll hide my stationery.
And now we'll connect the parts of our mechanism together. Just a drop of glue. And we're connecting it like this.
Sue, hurry up, or those thieves will chew all my pencils.
I am trying to do it as quick as possible.
It's not enough. Sue, what is this? I can't understand.
I'll tell you now.
Go ahead.
When the safe lock turns, the hooks get into the holes.
Which holes? These on the caps? I guess I'm starting to understand.
Now we'll close the mechanism so no one finds out its secret.
Let's try to close it using the password.
Well, let's do it. I can't wait to check it out. Just like this. Hop, it's super safe. And now let's put everything back.
First 9, then 3. Oops, I have to keep it down.
Awesome, everything works. The test was successful. The combination lock is ready, but inside, our box still doesn't look like a real organizer.
We have to divide everything into sections, Sue. Otherwise, how am I gonna do?
Sammy, are you okay?
Oh, this is some weird dream. Everything's flying around.
It was a plastic sheet to make the paper holder. Now we'll need this.
Right, I'll need to carry them around. You never know where the inspiration comes.
It will be a section in the organizer's lid. We'll assemble its lower part now.
Sue, if the thieves ate my pencil, then they can also eat the organizer.
You're such an alarmist, Sammy. Our walls are made of 5-layered cardboard.
Really? Extra caution never hurts. Especially considering that we have robbers around here.
It's impossible to argue with you, Sammy. Better help me with the craft.
I'm ready. What kind of help do you need right now?
We need to glue the parts you're holding to the back side of the section.
I'll glue everything real quick now. Watch closely, Susie. So, what do you say?
Great job! We'll set aside this part for a while. And keep working with our organizer.
The parts keep appearing inside on their own.
But behind it, there's lots of work to be done. Who do you think cut out all these parts?
Huh. If it's not me, the main cardboard specialist, then is it you, Sue?
What's up with that surprised voice, Sammy? Do you doubt my talents?
Oh, no, Sue. Of course not.
I've never doubted you. Never, ever.
But I sometimes doubt you, Sue.
What?
Just kidding. It's so big, Sue, it will take the whole table. Where should I draw then?
I came up with a special holder, which will fix the lid in a vertical position.
And so what?
This way you'll see all the pencils. And it will save some space.
Smooth move, Sue. Good macaroons, there's so much room here.
Let's add some bright, juicy design here. Done!
It came out so cool, Sue. Now let's arrange everything. That's my favorite part.
We'll start with the markers. Sam really likes to use them in his drawings. This goes here.
This is my favorite glitter when I feel more creative.
We'll need different types of brushes for various styles of painting.
Sue, wait, you forgot my most favorite brush.
Oh, sorry, Sammy. I'll try to be more attentive. What else do we need?
We can't do without my favorite paints. I can't wait to start creating.
You can draw something amazing with graphite pencils, too.
And we'll need a sharpener and an eraser for them.
Let's add some more to have some variety.
And finally, my treasure, the biggest collection of colored pencils ever!
Woohoo! Here we'll place the paper for future masterpieces of our Sam. Let's add some more bright colors. Yay!
Wow, that's really something! Let's have another look at our organizer. We made a really cool organizer, right, Sue?
Sammy, I think I found our robber. Come with me.
Ginger, how could you? I let you out just for a walk and you dined on my art stash!
Finally, we caught the robber. Guys, did you like our craft?
If yes, then give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And tell your friends about us.
But don't tell them the secret code from our organizer. Bye-bye!
Bye!